Welcome, today in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So if you are just entering the developer options and you don't want to hide it, you should just go into the settings application, scroll down to the system section. Now just click here to the advanced, and if you are just in the developer mode, you'll see here the last section, the developer options. So just tap there, and just to hide your developer options, tap here on the switcher to turn them off. Now just go back, and as you can see, the developer options section is gone, just because we just hide the developer options on our Motorola G71 5G. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.